Hey biology students, this is your teacher Mrs. Gibbs, and first of all, welcome to second semester biology. I've had a few questions both from new students and returning students about J Week, so I just want to clarify what's going on this week. New students, you do not need to complete the J Week assignments. If you want to, you can. But the goal this week is just to get used to our online setting and attend those class connects with your teachers and just get used to everything. So there's that, new students. Returning students, some of you have asked where to submit your assignments, and I can see that there have been a few of you that have already submitted them, so that's fantastic. I will show the rest of you where to get to that now. So number one, if you go to plan, you will see the assignments listed here, okay, and if you click on those, that will bring you to the content. But if we go to content, I have created a new module for you with just your J Week assignments. So click on J Week, and you will see your assignments listed here. So I have a link to the actual assignment for each one. And I have a Class Connect recording from Tuesday to help you out with the first one. And then also you'll see a drop box for each assignment. So this is where you need to be turning them in. If you have questions, let me know. But welcome to second semester and keep up the great work.